Hi, and thanks for downloading the Schedule C template. This template was designed to make tracking income and expenses easier for you and your tax preparer, but it also can be used to create a detailed budget and forecast for your business. If you haven't already, I recommend watching the Schedule C template guide video first to understand the basics of the Schedule C tab and how it relates to the Planning tab. A link for the Schedule C template guide video will be provided in this video's description. The Planning tab is designed to automatically update as information is entered in the Schedule C tab. The Planning tab can be updated and edited to better fit your needs. Let's go through a few basics about how to maintain this spreadsheet so it can provide you with the most useful information. As you open the Planning tab, you'll notice a chart at the top. The chart at the top tracks revenue, expenses, and net income. This chart automatically updates based on the data below. Below, information is organized like a profit and loss statement, with revenue on top and expenses towards the bottom. Periodically, you will need to carry over the formulas from the previous months so that actual data is entered instead of forecasted data. The information in the columns to the right is based on trends in the columns to the left. Notice the revenue growth rate and expense trend at the top. These are default formulas and can be edited to better reflect how your business is doing. Changing the formulas will affect how the forecasted amounts will be calculated to the right. Not only can forecasted numbers be edited by adjusting the formulas, I highly encourage you to enter information that is a known amount instead of a formula. Over time, this will make the forecast even more accurate. I also suggest that you save versions of this tab so you can compare budget amounts to actual amounts at the end of the period. This will give you insight on why what you planned is different from what actually happened, so you can improve your budgeting and forecasting skills going forward. Thanks again for downloading the template. If you have any questions or suggestions for this template, feel free to send me an email. If you'd like more help with filing your taxes, tax planning, or bookkeeping, schedule a consultation today at ryanbealscpa.com. Thank you.